Cameras are built in advanced factories with extreme precision and care. The process begins with many delicate components. These parts are delivered to specialized assembly areas. Lens assembly requires a completely dust-free environment. Glass elements are polished to achieve perfect clarity. Several lens pieces are combined into one module.
This one looks promising.
Let's check the alignment.
The surface is clear.
Good. Let's test it.
Inserting now.
Image sensors are prepared to capture light.
Every detail is checked for accuracy.
Sensors are installed inside the camera frame. Lens mounts allow lenses to attach securely. Shutters control how light enters the camera. Autofocus systems ensure sharp images. External controls are added for user operation. Screens allow users to preview images. Wiring connects all internal components. Viewfinders help frame the perfect shot. Sealing protects the camera in harsh conditions.
Panels coming up, guide it in. Got it, pulling steady. Align the top edge, bottom secure. The camera exterior is completed.
Each camera undergoes strict quality checks. Autofocus is performing within specifications. Lens calibration is next. Focus is locking in, but let's check the sharpness metrics.
Dynamic range is excellent, no aberrations.
I'm seeing some noise at high ISO, we should note that. Agreed, we'll log it for review. Cameras are cleaned before packaging. The finished products are stored for shipment. Finally, the cameras are delivered to customers worldwide.